That's what I wanted to do. Devote my entire time in life to a small community hospital. Here you are.
Thank you. Well, how did you get sidetracked?
Ah, that's a very good question. But I guess we all change as we get older. Anyway, I finally realized that my rare talents were better suited to a large city hospital.
Well, from what I've seen, you run a very tight ship.
Well, actually, I've been very fortunate to have an excellent staff. That's what really makes a big difference. Now, tell me, how was your tour of Mercy Hospital yesterday?
Interesting, although I think they have a problem with overcrowding.
That's the most problems we have today in hospitals. And probably the reason why Audrey's running a little late. We've had a few of our problems around here lately. I'd show you around myself.
No, I understand. In fact, the more freedom I have just to stroll around and observe, the better.
Good. I'll be sure and tell Audrey that. Excuse me. Yes?
Dr. Hardy, Bobby Spencer is still waiting, and a call just came down from 10. They need her in surgery right away.
Do you mind a brief interruption?
Oh, no.
Tell Miss Spencer to come right in.
The association does want everything in
Of course, I
writing.
understand. Oh, I'm sorry, Bobby Spencer. This is Natalie Dearborn.
Oh, how do you do? Fine, thanks.
Bobby Spencer is head of our local nurses association. We recently had what you might call a slight misunderstanding over hospital policy.
Yes, when I was in the halls, I heard them talking about hiring more clerical help.
Well, you're very observant.
I hope you've cleared everything up.
As soon as the doctor finishes assigning the papers, we have.
And you've got it, Bobby. You've got it.
Thank you, Doctor. It's a pleasure to meet you, Miss... I'm very sorry, but I just got the strangest feeling. Have we ever met before?
I don't think so. Why do you ask?
Well, I guess it's the way you were looking at me.
Miss Dearborn is here just for a tour of our therapy facilities.
I see. Oh, well, enjoy your tour.
I'm sure I will.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome.
Oh, Bobby, are those papers what I think they
No
are?
backing out now. I just got a signature.
Oh, good work.
See you all later.
Right.
Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late. You must be Miss Dearborn.
Natalie, please, yes.
Oh, yes, Natalie, of course. Well, are you ready for the grand tour?
If you are.
Well, I just have to sign something outside, and then we'll be on our way.
Fine.
You ladies enjoy yourselves.
Thank you, Doctor.
Come along.
All right.
Just wait here for a minute.
Oh,
Nancy, I'll sign those papers.
Good. Bobby seems like a...
Not to mention her being one of our finest scrub nurses.
She always so cheery.
It's hard to believe, isn't it? But I think it really runs in her family. Her aunt works here, too.
Ruby.
Oh, yes,
Hardy mentioned her.
Mm-hmm. Well, they certainly are a strong family. They just seem to keep going on no matter what, and especially this year. But they just kept going on. That's real strength, I think.
A tragedy?
Here you are, Nancy. Yes, her brother Luke was killed in an accident.
I'm sorry.
A lot of people were. He was really what you might call a very unique human being. Well, shall we go on?
Yes, lead the way. Thank you.